What is a square? You know that square is a quadrilateral, and we can define it in terms of a quadrilateral as a quadrilateral having four sides, and all the sides are equal and all angles are right angles. So here you can see that I can say that ABCD is a square in which all sides are equal and all angles are of 90 degrees each. So this is the way of defining a square in terms of a quadrilateral. So a quadrilateral means a polygon having four sides. So if a polygon has four sides and all sides are equal and each angle is 90 degrees, then we call it as a square. So what is the definition of a square in terms of quadrilateral? A square is a quadrilateral having four sides equal and each angle 90 degrees. So basically we say four right angles, right? Now we are going to understand how to define a square in terms of a parallelogram. Now if I say parallelogram, that means it is basically satisfying the properties of a parallelogram. So you know that in a parallelogram both pairs of opposite sides are parallel to each other, and both pairs of opposite sides are equal to each other, right? So we will be using that concept for defining the quadrilateral, which is square. So how can we define square in terms of a parallelogram? We can say that a square is a parallelogram in which all sides are equal and one angle is 90 degrees. What do we mean by that? If I say a square is a parallelogram in which all sides are equal, so that means I'm marking here all sides are equal. So that is first condition of a square which is satisfied. And if I say it is a parallelogram in which one angle is 90 degrees, but we know that in square all the angles, four angles which we see in this quadrilateral should be 90 degrees. So if I say it is a parallelogram in which one angle is 90 degrees, that means automatically each of the remaining angle will be 90 degrees. You see this is 90 degrees, and if I talk about this angle, let me name it. This is ABCD. So angle A and angle B, they are making co-interior angles, a pair of co-interior angles. So co-interior angles are supplementary. If we say that BC is parallel to AD, so angle B plus angle A should be 180 degrees. So if this is angle B is 90 degrees, so that automatically indicates that angle A is 90 degree. You don't have to write it because you say it's a parallelogram in which all sides are equal and one angle is 90 degrees. So that automatically covers that the remaining angles in a square will be 90 degree each. Now, what is another way of defining it? If I say it is a parallelogram in which two adjacent sides are equal and one angle is 90 degrees. You see, if I say BC is equal to CD, right? So if BC is equal to CD, we know that ABCD is a parallelogram. So BC will be equal to AD because opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal, and CD is equal to AB. So that will suffice the need of a quadrilateral to be a square, that all four sides are equal. So these are the different ways of defining a square in terms of a parallelogram. I hope it is clear to you.